It's your girl Martiana, and I'm back on another video. Normally I start the videos off at inside my house, but I had to go to work today. But if you haven't already read the title, today's video is going to be my trip to Myrtle Beach, and I'm about to get my lashes done. What is that on my lashes? But I'm gonna get my lashes done, my eyebrows done right now, and then later on I'm gonna be getting my hair, my nails, and my toes done. But with that being said, let's get into this video. As y'all can see, my eyelashes and my eyebrows are done. And now I'm about to go get my hair, my nails, and my toes done.
Let your mind be free, babe, come run with me. Tell me what you need, show me how to please your love. How can I be someone that you really love? How can I breathe when you're not with me? Yeah. Let me hang out you, baby. You done with these niggas, I know you ain't got the time for it. Tired of the games, I agree, but this ain't like that. Let me show you, baby, I adore you, baby. Got me going crazy, listen, lady, just give me a chance, I'ma show you things. He a player, but baby, I swear we ain't all the same. He a lame, bad dudes get good dudes' names. So baby, take me on faith, because I know how you feel, I respect.
Hey guys, so I'm back home now. So y'all seen that I got my lashes done, got my eyebrows done, I got my hair done, and I got my nails done. These too cute. And I got my toes done. I already showed y'all that. I mean, I'm not about to put my feet in the camera right now, but you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll see y'all when I get ready and leave out. Bye. Hey you guys, I'm about to head to the airport, and I got my little outfit over here. It's cute. Look at the nails again, cute. Hair, cute. And the toes, hold on. Again, the toes. I'll see y'all once I get to the airport. So guys, so I made it to the airport. And girl, yeah, stop talking in my video.
Girl.
Why aren't you talking in my video? Girl, come on.
As of right now, it still is, but it's forecast to improve. An hour and 16 minutes is the flight time, theoretically. We end up holding for a little bit before we can get in. I just don't know at this point.
I landed in Charlotte by myself, and she just got left. She got left at the airport. I don't know how. But we got.
That would have been crazy.
Right. They probably believe me for a second, but we got a 2-hour layover.
Irritating.
And then we're gonna be in Myrtle Beach. To talk about irritating.
You got a bad perception. Gave him your heart, he was reckless.
Myrtle Beach. No, we do that when we get to the Airbnb. Myrtle Beach. You have reached your destination. In the prom season, July is crazy.
Not be someone that you really love. How can I breathe when you're not with me? Yeah.
Not going to the gym. Pick up the card from the gym. We made it to the car. Pick up the car. I'm about to go to the Airbnb.
Oh, let me shut this thing.
Now she left the lockbox open. But I'll see y'all when we get to the Airbnb. Look at the turtles and the baby ones over there.
I love turtles.
Look at him. He's looking at us and trying to come up here.
Is it a way I could take it home from the airport? 'Cause I swear I would.
Girl, you cannot steal that. That's probably the mama.
So I'll take a baby one. Shit, it's hella.
The kitchen. Do this turn on the kitchen light? Yeah, okay. The kitchen. The living room. Dining room. It's gotta be like a little closet. Oh, this is where the washer and dryer is at. And then Khalil's room. Is you need to turn on the light. This is Khalil's room. And this is my room. And my room got the bathroom connected to it. And her room got a bathroom right by it too. My hair probably a little messed up. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it is a little messed up. I gotta fix it. Cause whew, I just flying on 2 planes, keep being delayed. We just gotta fix her hair or something, right? But I'm trying to see if she better hurry up and get out that bathroom so I can show y'all that bathroom. Girl, you almost done in that bathroom?
Huh?
Oh, I was about to show them this bathroom. And this is Khalil's bathroom. And she get the shower. I forgot to show y'all the patio. Smell what? Girl. Photo wine. Just put you over. We in here. They don't look like they got nothing that you want.
She too deep. She like to lay up with me and make love. I know what we could be. We both love each other. I got just what you want. I can hit the spots inside that I know he don't. Diving in your
Guys, I got my swimsuit on. And we're about to head to the beach. Hold on. Trying to get a better look. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Bye.
ocean, baby, I can rock your boat. And when I come around, baby, you know I'm the go.
Hey guys, so we about to go to this hookah bar and grill. And this girl is crazy. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that girl's crazy. She crazy. She crazy.
What you gonna tell him to call?
Woo!
What you gonna tell him to call?
1-800 choked out.
You irritated.
How can I be when you show me the way? Baby, don't play. I'm here to
So got bags under my eyes. I don't never have bags under my eyes.
Now, if I fall over this motherfucking carpet, I'm suing their asses.
Girl, this girl wanted to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning to go watch a sunrise. Girl.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Still got bags under my eyes. I don't never have bags under my eyes.
Now, if I fall over this motherfucking carpet, I'm suing their asses.
Girl, this girl wanted to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning to go watch a sunrise. Girl.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Her white girl laying up on the
Show me the way, baby, don't play. I'm here to stay with you.
Turtle coming
Oh, the other ones too.
out the water.
It's your mother. I'm back. Come on.
Aw, he came all the way up the water.
Come on. Keep coming.
No, don't have him come all the way up here. These cars.
Come on.
No,
Oh,
the
you love
car.
me. Can I take you out?
No,
Come on.
Talia.
Now, come on now.
Talia, make sure he go back in the water though.
She's scared.
Oh, he ran. You just scared him.
I'm sorry.
Hey, you guys, we're about to
I'm gonna bring y'all
head to
When I
some
come back.
breakfast, and she's bothering the turtles again. The lady is outside bothering the turtles again.
I'm feeding
But y'all can see the fit given. Yes.
Tiki, can I really take one home?
No.
It's gonna be that small when you see him. He's so small. It's gonna
No,
be
girl,
small.
you is not taking them home. Nah. Mm-mm. We made it to breakfast, and we about to go in and eat. Ooh. This is too cute. Didn't drop the phone, but I almost did. But look at the fit. It's giving.
My bad.
Or they probably, do they got the even spray then? The small one? Look at all those wigs.
Ooh, I need this.
What?
Because this like in this wasn't long. What you think? Somebody
How you
like
laugh
this
like that?
better, or a little thing with their name on it, like a little souvenir with their name on it, or one of these for friends? Yeah.
Look at that. I'm gonna have to mute this until over. Keychains that they might be over here. You walk into a shirt. I'm sorry. Kalia, look. This is crazy. You was rock.
K-Dub, 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 K-Dub. So baby, ride with me, ride with me, ride with me, ride with me.
I'm gonna have to put the cover on it for when the kids around, because that's the cover one. That's the uncovered one.
Right. Got the real, I mean the gummy, everything. That's crazy. And then That's not really a big blow pop.
Like it's 16. Hella.
Like, they know not to do that. And look, this is what they be getting the gummy watermelon and the gummy big berries. This is like $40. I seen a YouTuber had this on there. They had to try to eat it. It was hard.
It was hard.
Right. This is gonna take you all year to eat that.
Don't even do
I'm about to take a picture of that song.
Babe, I want everyone to know. So baby, ride with me, ride with me. Babe, I want everyone to know. Want them to know what's going on. Ain't tryna keep you on the low. So baby, ride with me, ride with me. Want them to know what's going on.
Y'all be back. Hey, Leslie. Yeah. Look how they spell my name. They spell my name. They spell my name, right? They call her Kaylee.
Who the fuck is that?
Yo, ass.
Kaylee Wilbur.
Who Kart is in first place? His ass gone. Look at him. His ass gone. Where he go? He gone. He about to overlap them. He is about to overlap them. Look. He about to overlap them. You guys, I'm back in the house. Anyway, as y'all can see from the last clip, we just came back from the K1 speed. Let me tell y'all, they just kept on bumping me. I didn't go to second round because I had a headache. It's just too much. I'm like, they really acting like race car, speed car races and stuff like that. And what we do before that? Oh yeah, we went to the boardwalk in the fair. Y'all seen that? That was cool. Then I got Chipotle. I didn't record that. And then I had got some Subway too. And went to the store. But I don't know what I'm about to do next. But when I do, I'll come back and tell you guys. Also, we didn't go anywhere last night. But now we're at the beach again, 7 o'clock in the morning. Hold on, let me show you.
Ain't tryna keep you on the low. Baby, I don't even wanna. So baby, ride with me, do what you die with me, grind with me, bind with me, count up this grind with me, ride with me, slide with me, let up the shots with me, fuck them all.
Station at the beach, 7 o'clock in the morning is just so crazy. Because, yeah, that's where you go. Yeah. Lay back down and then wake up and then go get some breakfast. And I need to fix my edges. Period. Hey guys, so we are about to go get breakfast. I need to figure out like where we gonna get breakfast at, but this is my outfit. Oh, that's my pajamas and the towels before bed. I'm wearing, I don't know if I've seen no white sandals. I don't know, but I'm wearing my white sandals as well. And oh, I gotta put my anklets on too. And then we'll leave out for breakfast. But before we leave out, I'm gonna tell y'all where we're going. Hey you guys, so we about to be on our way to get some breakfast at I guess Blue Skies or whatever. Or we might go to the other place. Well, I'll see y'all when we get there. Ooh, this one felt good.
Can't trust it all. Every nigga get hands who still gon' let me fall. I think about clips when they quick to say I'm the one that's falling off. But the pain don't matter, just glad that you evolved. She like I'm tryna help you evolve. Keep your skin tough as a brick, just glad you got a heart. Let's make a movie since you acting hard. She got allergies, had to kick the cat for her to break me off. She just take the D, she might fuck around and break me off. No cosmetology, we gon' still tell the world apart. Use my eyes to see every time your life start getting dark. Baby, start with me, take a deep breath, breathe air to my heart.
Tippy toe up in this bitch with my bro and panties on. You talking all that shit on the phone. Now that you're here, let's get it on. Move my body to the music with my hips down to the flow. Oh, what do you know? I stimulate his mind. 1738, kick kitty, golden plate, make money all day. Baby, ride with me, die with me. I reach the sky with the stars and the lights in me. You brighten up my life, you got the down ass bitch. If these hoes talk that shit, I hit them click clack bitch. I'm on my roster shit with the flick of the wrist. On the dose quad though, I got that stroke game bitch. Red bone, thick hips, make a man wanna trip. But I ride with my nigga, only thoroughbred niggas. We ride till we die, we show that love like white doves. Thugs need love, keep his feelings balled up.
Hey y'all, so I forgot to close out last night, but we back at the beach again and watching the sunset. Hey you guys, we are at the National, what is it called? The National House of Pancakes. Okay, we is at InHop, National House of Pancakes, and we gotta get some breakfast. Guys, we just got done eating breakfast and we about to head to the mall to take some pictures.
Let your mind be free. Baby, come run with me. Tell me what you need. Show me how to please your love. How can I be someone that you
Hi you guys, so we're about to go ATV riding right now. First time, we'll see how this goes. Basically, if you want to do something, just think it was good. Next thing is the speed that we're going. I'll kind of set the speed, but like you kind of help with that. So like you're kind of in charge of the pace of the speed. The better you're keeping up with me, the faster I'm going to go. But if you're going way slow, way behind me, I'm going to slow down and give you time. So you're kind of in charge of the speed of this to an extent. Like we're not going to go 50 at any point. Space that
49. No, I'm just playing.
maybe. Let's see. The space that we're going to be apart from each other is like not this close. You won't be any closer to me because I don't want you to run into me or anything. And you. Four-wheel and two-wheel. So if you flick it up, that goes into four, and you'll see right here all four wheels are lit up. And then if you flick it down, two wheels are lit up.
Really love, how can I breathe when you're not with me? Yeah. Let me highlight you, baby. Wear your mind up. You done with these niggas. I know you ain't got the time for it. Tired of the games, I agree, but this ain't like that. Let me show you, baby. I adore you, baby. Got me going crazy, listen, lady. Just give me a chance, I'ma show you things. He a player, but baby, I swear we ain't all the same. He a lame. Bad dudes get good dudes' names. So baby, take me on faith, because I know how you feel, I respect it. You got a bad perception. Gave him your heart, he was reckless. Promise I won't be so careless. Let your mind be free. Babe, come run with me. Tell me what you need. Show me how to please your love. How can I be someone that you really love? How can I breathe when you're not with me? Yeah. She too deep. She like to lay up with me and make love. I know what we could be if we both loved each other. Can't lie, I got just what you want. I can hit the spots inside that I know he don't. Diving in your ocean, baby, I can rock your boat. And when I come around, baby, you know I'm the GOAT. She know I'm the GOAT. How can I be with you? Show me the way, baby, don't play. I'm here to stay with you. Show me the way, baby, don't play. I'm here to stay with you. So baby, ride with me, ride with me, ride with me, ride with me. Baby, I want if you wanna know. So baby, ride with me, ride with me. Baby, I want if you wanna know. Want to know what's going on. Ain't tryna keep you on the low. So baby, ride with me, ride with me. Want to know what's going on. Ain't tryna keep you on the low. Baby, I don't even wanna know. So baby, ride with me, do what just die with me, grind with me, bind with me, count up this grind with me, ride with me, slide with me, let up the shots with me, fuck them all. I can't trust it all. Every nigga get hands too, still gon' let me fall. I think about clicks when they quick to say I'm the one that's falling off. But the pain don't matter, just glad that you evolve. She like I'm tryna help you evolve. Keep your skin tough as a brick, just glad you got a heart. Let's make a movie since you acting hard. She got allergies, had to kick the cat for her to break me off. She just take the D, she might fuck around and break me off. No cosmetology, we gon' still tell the world apart. Use my eyes to see every time your life start getting dark. Baby, start with me, take a deep breath, breathe air to my heart.
Tippy toe up in this bitch with my bro and panties on. You talking all that shit on the phone. Now that you're here, let's get it on. Move my body to the music with my hips down to the flow. Oh, what do you know? I stimulate his mind. 1738, kick kitty, golden plate, make money all day. Baby, ride with me, die with me. I reach the sky with the stars and the lights in me. You brighten up my life, you got the down ass bitch. If these hoes talk that shit, I hit them click clack, bitch. I'm on my roster shit with the flick of the wrist. On the dose quad though, I got that stroke game, bitch. Red bone, thick hips, make a man wanna trip. But I ride with my nigga, only thoroughbred niggas. We ride till we die.
My hair is fucked up. I ride on the ATVs, but I'm irritated as fuck. That shit, people just do a lot of ignorant shit. For real. They think it's funny. It's not funny. I like it. But I'll see y'all when I do whatever. Hey, you guys. I don't know if so this girl don't be in my video. So we about to go get something to eat. And it is dark outside. Oh my god. Why is she following me? Oh my gosh. Why is this girl following me? Girl.
We show that love like white doves. Thugs need love, keep his feelings balled up.
Just came back from eating. And as y'all can see, I had 2 different meals because the first time I had ordered some buffalo chicken dip and they barely put any chicken in it. So then the next time I ordered some mashed potatoes. Ooh, for these stairs. The next time I ordered some mashed potatoes and some fried shrimp. But now I'm back. And today is the last day. Well, tomorrow is the last day. And we go to the airport tomorrow in the morning. So, I'm going to just close out for tonight. And then, I'll see you guys in the morning at the airport. Bye. Hey guys, so it is the morning time. And, we about to get ready to head to the airport so we can go back home. Oop. Then I'll see you guys once we're heading to the airport. Bye. Yeah. And then we do have a layover again, and our layover is in Washington, Virginia. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna come back and say. You guys, so we about to leave the Airbnb and head to the airport. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Made it to the airport. Sadly, the trip is ending, but at least I get to go back home. It ain't nobody in this one. Okay. It ain't nobody. I still ain't do that clear stuff. Ain't that it right there?
It don't look like it's that bad though.
Alright.
I mean, you got time to do it. I don't know. You can do some shit. You still got a couple hours to
I think we got like
Yeah.
2 hours.
So you wanna do it?
And there ain't nothing right here. Can I do it on the other side too? Might as well go through. It's literally like nobody really in here.
Look at this
She
one.
collected
Beautiful.
all of these sheet metals. That big ass one right there. Is it broke?
I thought it was cute.
It looked like it's broke.
Yeah.
What happened to the other one that you had?
A man was like, here, these ones are rare to find. Thanks,
What happened to
sir.
that long black one?
What long black? Oh, it's in my bag. That one was the best. I was trying.
Hey you guys, so we landed in, but I had to go to the bathroom, and I don't know where she went, but we're just about to go to the gate to get to the second. Alright, so made it back to the Cleveland airport. And remember the last time I told y'all she got left at the airport? This time she really did, and I'm so glad. I wish. Alright, I'll see y'all when I get home. Oh,
Y'all gonna see me again.
yeah. Alright, bye.
Now bleed go be on the bottle. Now bleed go be
You know
on
how
the
to come
road.
clutch. Y'all know, man.
See that fat truck about to pull up.
Yeah, that's him.
Can't see him, but you can see the truck.
He girl.
Well, who did talking Dion? Say what's up.
He said, hey.
Dion, look. Say what's up.
Oh, damn. I'm sorry, y'all, but I've been home. And I'm about to close this vlog out. I had fun. Spent 4 days in Myrtle Beach. It was cool. But see you guys until next time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my other YouTube channel. And see you next time.